Renewed calls this evening for motorists to visit their local dealers to check for defective airbags. Director of the National Road Safety Unit, Canute Hare, is concerned that the matter is not being taken seriously. TVJ's Anthony Lugg has this primetime news follow-up.
And I am profoundly disappointed in the response of the motoring public on this issue.
Director of the Road Safety Unit, Canute Hare, on the number of motorists who visited local dealers to check if their airbags are defective. Almost 24 people have been killed worldwide when Takata airbags were deployed in collisions, and more than 300 have been injured as metal shards in the airbag sprayed throughout the cabin of the vehicles.
The shrapnels from the airbag inflator will attack your face, attack your eyes, attack your nose, attack your teeth, attack your gum, attack your throat, and even attack your brain.
In a primetime news story aired on February 11, we spoke with one victim who was injured by flying shrapnel from the airbag here in Jamaica. But despite that story and continuous calls for motorists driving cars made between 2001 to 2016 to have their airbags checked, many have refused.
Take the time. Don't talk about the 45 minutes too long. This 45 minutes can be what save your life. It's just time. No, you won't pay anything. It's a recall. It's a recall. So it wasn't the fault of the consumer. So the motor vehicle manufacturer, through their dealer, will replace the inflator if the motor vehicle is equipped with a deadly Takata airbag inflator.
So, with motorists driving around with what could be considered a disaster waiting to happen, Mr. Hare is issuing this warning.
Those who have ears to hear, let them hear. You cannot say that I never tell you. You cannot say that we know and hide the information. Cannot say that. Go to your dealer and just check.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.